Are you cute?
I like it here too.
Thank you. Want to show the camera? You love your curls? Do a 360. Turn around. Hi beautiful, welcome back to our channel. So today I am doing a toddler wash and go. This is literally a simple and easy style to do. I didn't even really part her hair, I just made it into sections and I manipulated it to get it in the style that I achieved. So pretty much what I do to start off, every Sunday I do wash Aria's hair, and her hair is very thick, so I do have to go in and detangle each portion to make sure that her hair is thoroughly coated with the product, and also so that it's not hurting her when I manipulate her hair in different styles. So what I do is get her hair all the way wet, and then I just take each section and I detangle it, and I do use a detangler sometimes to get that product worked through. So today I'm actually using this comb, which is my first time using this particular detangling comb, and I like it, but it seems a little harsh, and so I do have to be very gentle when I'm using it. So I will be changing with my other detangling comb, and I will be linking these down below because I did purchase them from Amazon, but I do like the other comb a little better because I think it has a better grip, and it also it flexes back when you comb through the hair, and I think that makes it easier when detangling. I don't have any particular love of any products right now. I'm just really trying out a lot of different products in her hair to see what I like best, but I do know that she needs a thicker product to let sit in her hair when it's in its detangling phase, when I let her wear it down, because her hair does absorb product really fast. So I can't just put like oils in it. I do use a thicker oil. I use the Jamaican castor oil, and I also use like tea tree oil and stuff like that in her hair, and it's been working really good for us. Through this section, you're going to just see me detangling her hair, and then after that I'm going to wash it, and then I'm going to go back through and then style it. If you guys watch, you will see all of those processes that I went through, and you'll also see that I have my hands so full. I have my baby in my carrier, and then I also have Aria that I'm trying to do her hair, and it's really hard sometimes because I have to have both of them on me, and my back is killing me at this point. And so I'm not going to really talk you through this process. I'm just going to let you guys see how we achieved our wash and go style. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I do have more hair videos coming up, so please stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much, and keep watching. I would like to mention that I am co-washing her hair. I don't usually wash her hair with shampoo. I only do that once a month, and that is to keep her hair nice and moisturized and to keep moisture in her hair, because shampoo can be very stripping. And I also do this very exact same thing with my own natural hair. I do not wash with shampoo every week. So that's one thing I did want to explain to you guys, if I didn't say that earlier. Hey guys, so this washing tool little hat thing, I forget what it's called, but I will be linking it down below. It has been so helpful when washing Aria's hair. So I will be doing a product review on that as well, but it works so easy and it's so simple. As you guys can see here, you just snap it on their head and you just wash their hair, and the hair does not get in their eyes at all. It was a little rough this day to wash her hair because, again, I do have Avery attached to me, and Aria was acting up at this part, but you guys didn't see that. You don't have the audio, but she was literally acting crazy. But pretty much she never complains about getting her hair washed when I use this. I don't know why today was a little off, but yeah, you guys should definitely purchase this, and I will put it in my description box because I purchased this item off of Amazon. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.